Next up, let's take a look at the ortho modeling aid located at the bottom of the screen. The ortho modeling aid, or snap, is simply an angle constraint. It is used to verify that any geometry being created or moved is done along a specified angle, which is usually 90 degrees. Go ahead and click the ortho right here at the bottom. We've been informed that Turtle Boy is having some communications issues. We need to redesign his antenna for a different angle. Let's try to draw a quick line using the curved drawing lines. I've got my point snap on at the very bottom, so I can start from here. As I draw up, you'll notice it's going vertical, even though my cursor is off to the side. And now I'm jumping 90 degrees either way. That's not a useful ortho snap. Escape out of this command. Let's go to the options and see if we can change that. Going up to Tools, Options. Under Modeling Aids is where the ortho snap is controlled. You can turn it actually off and on right here. And here's the default 90. Let's put it to something a little bit smaller and more useful, like 30 degrees. Hit OK to accept. Let's try that line one more time. Snap to the point again. I'm constrained up, and there it is, every 30, 60, 90. Much more useful. By the way, you could actually change this to any degree that you want, but I've found that anything less than 30, it's really difficult to tell one from the other. Like the worst case would be every 5 degrees. After about 10 or 15, you wouldn't even know where you are. So I feel either that 45 or 30 is the way to go. So I've been informed that a 30-degree angle is going to work better for this antenna. So let's click it right there. Let's finish this antenna and make a pipe around that curve. Go to the Solid Creation menu. Here's the pipe section. Select that curve. Zoom in to pick the exact diameter. Right-click again to make the other diameter the same. Now I'm going to pick this, and using the same ortho constraint, I'm going to mirror this. I don't have an axis line, which I usually recommend, but we can use ortho to help us out. So I'm just going to transform, mirror, pick the start of the plane. We're going to pick that same point we created at, and just go up vertically. We have guaranteed symmetry. Okay, that was some construction techniques using ortho. Let's do some other motions like transforming. I'm going to go to the perspective viewport here. Now we're still set the original 30 degrees from the last time. So I'm going to select this object and just do a move with the transform move command. I'm going to snap to that same point. You'll notice it's moving along that same constraint axis every 30 degrees. Let's try the rotate. Zoom in here. Select the object. Use the Rhino Rotate 2D is fine. I'm going to snap to the center. And here we go, every 30, 60, 90, and all the way around. The ortho snap is a great example of a simple and easy to forget modeling aid that's actually very handy. Another nice feature of the ortho snap is you don't ever need to turn it on when needed. Similar to many 2D programs, you can always hold the Shift key when drawing or moving, and the ortho snap will be enacted just for that command. It's a nice shortcut that will speed your workflow.